Good morning, guys. My name is Janine Celeste and welcome to my channel. Today I bring you vacation vlog. I'm so excited. I'm gonna take a bus to Newark Airport. I'm hoping that this is the right location. I'm a little nervous. I wanted to give myself enough time to get lost, but running right on time, which I'm not supposed to do. I am feeling a little confident, poquito, un poco, that this is where Uber is supposed to drop me. This vacation is only literally 48 hours. 48 hours in Puerto Rico. So excited. I've been there before. I went for my 21st birthday and it was a great, crazy time. And now I'm a little bit older, a little bit more mature. It's gonna be a good time. Nice little getaway that is well needed. My flight to Puerto Rico leaves at 7:58, but I wanted to be there like 2 hours early just so I could be on top of everything and not rushing to the gate. Yeah, I'm traveling like an adult. This is the fit. I recorded so much content in the last hour and a half. This is my suitcase. It's super cute and it's heavy. I hope it's under 50 pounds. I think it is, because I believe I've packed more shit in here in the past, more shoes. There's just like sandals and heels in here. And then this is my carry-on. Hopefully they don't say anything. They never have in the past, but I have my tripod, my do-rag because I just took it off, and some lashes. I personally don't think I'm gonna do lashes because every time I do those lashes, they just come off really easily. They feel really slimy. They get really greasy and oily. Like I don't. Also, when I sleep, I don't know about you guys. Like, you know how everyone's been doing those TikTok videos with the application of those DIY lash clusters? I don't know how you guys have been sleeping with those things on, because I feel like when I go to sleep, my eyes are like half open because of the lash. That's my personal experience. I'm not sure if it's because my lashes are super curly. Don't know. I didn't feel like getting them done professionally either, but I did get my toes done. I did get my nails done. They look beautiful. Pulling in all the gratitude, good energy, wish me luck. See you guys soon. Okay guys, just got out of an Uber. Uber was a piece of... He picked me up. The stop that the website said that we were supposed to stop at, there's no bus stop. So it said drop off at a sit-go. There's no sit-go. Then I checked the website, it said to drop off at a second location. The second location is a psychiatric center. No ma'am. No ma'am. I don't want to be dropped off at a psychiatric center. On our way to the second stop, this guy's like, I gotta go. I don't have time for this. I don't have time for this. Now, I'm not rude. I'm very understanding. You know, I greeted him. I said, hi, how are you? Got in the car. He put my bag in the thing. It was not an enjoyable experience, and it really turned me off. So now I have to call my mom to get out of work to take me to the airport. I want to get to the airport on time without any negative interruptions. I wish the man a happy day, whatever he's going through. I hope he has a good day. But he was a oh my God. For the first time in a long time, I was able to like say something. I felt like my mom. When my mom gets tired, she'll be like,
excuse me, sir, that is rude. Don't do that.
I was literally like,
that's rude, sir. I didn't plan to get lost. I'm just trying to get to my bus stop so I could get to the airport. I'm sorry that this is an inconvenience to you, that you took an Uber, that job that you didn't have time for. Don't pick up an Uber job that you don't have time for that.
Like, I've never heard that. If you didn't have time, why'd you? So that's what I said. If you didn't have time, you didn't have to pick it up. He's like, oh, I don't have time for this, ma'am. I got to go. Basically trying to usher me out. I said, you could drop me off at the other gas station. Thank you. That's so rude. That's so rude. Why would you pick me up if you didn't have time? You shouldn't have picked me up then. Obviously, things go wrong, and you have to account for them. And I am a client, and I pulled the client customer service. My job, like, I can't do that. That's rude. This is customer service. I can't treat my clients like that. If my clients want to shop, then they gotta shop. It's rude of you to be kicking me out of the car. But it's fine. Everything works out. It's a beautiful sunshiny day. It's not raining. I'm packed. I have everything that I need. I'm just a little hungry. And now my dear mother is going to take me. I was going to take the train, but the train left at 11:29 and I wasn't going to make it because I was in the middle of recording. Yeah. Now I'm at the gas station talking to my camera like a weirdo. Fumbling with this because it's keeping me calm. You remember those like little flick thingies? It's keeping me calm. So far, we're off to a great start, guys. I will talk to you when things get brighter. I'm gonna go edit everything that's on my phone and put my phone to charge as well. I'm so excited, guys. See you guys. Bye.
The waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo.
San Juan is now welcome.
And we're things in that. It's gon' be a minute till I'm back. Let me get your images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. Yo.
Good morning, good evening. It's Shanice's lesson. We've made it to our destination. Welcome everyone. Back again with another quirky video. Why you have to look back at the person? Making it awkward, yeah? Why are you so close to me? That's not my angle.
But I do know one thing though. Women, they
We got here a lot earlier than I thought we would. We're making great progress.
I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, late.
It's a little too cold for my taste. Ooh, you could turn it to. Okay. And you could chill. Alright. Chill lights. Okay. And then bright. You need to see, you need to clean up. Voila. I've always wanted to stay here. I always thought the rooms were gorgeous. And I feel like the pictures are gonna come out. Mwah. Look at the closets. Oh my god. Oh, hi sexy. Scrum diddly yum yum. Nice.
Ooh, this is nice. Girl, this all this is you right here? Okay. They don't smell like roaches in here or nothing.
We get some glasses, little espresso cups, bottle opener. What is this? Cheese cutter. Oh, sugars. For an additional charge, champagne, water, and other things. But this is super cute. We're having brunch. I'm getting some mimosas. Let me show you the pool. Here, this is the pool. We're gonna get a little tipsy and then we're gonna head to the beach. Beautiful and hot, just as I remembered it. I think I achieved a light beat. I did smoke. I want my hair to be dry. Hi, bird. Look at the 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 bird. Is it dry yet? I'll put on the new earrings. I think this is good. I'm a makeup artist. This is like. Those actually look real nice.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual.
You suck it out, and with the juice inside, you
Then the shot.
And it's supposed to taste like a chocolate cake.
Oh my goodness.
That's on me.
Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you.
Cheers, salud.
Lemon in the shot. So sexy out here.
When you want to look beautiful, you have to suffer like that.
Oh my goodness. I don't like it.
Feeling, you look beautiful, you're suffering.
Thank you.
Said what I had to and did what I did. Never
Fish day 2. We're eating into the 48 hours. It's a little while. Yeah, we're eating into the 48 hours. We're supposed to go out and get lunch, but it's very cloudy. It looks like it's raining, but I don't think it is. I think it's just super cloudy. It is what it is. We're here, so we're gonna make the most of it. We're here together. My makeup last night really ate, so I'm gonna try to achieve that again in less than an hour. I have my phone charging. I want to do some cleaning up so that we're ready to really, most of the packing really done when we come. come back later this evening. We're leaving at like 3. I just wanted to show you guys the shower real quick. You can like turn these away so that it doesn't face your body when you turn it on, because when the water first starts coming out, it's cold. All these handles I had to play with. It's an experience, but it's gorgeous. I love this shower. I need one like this. I kind of have one like this. It's just not this tall. Like, I like this glass, first of all. Like, this is mwah, chef's kiss. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that. I'm gonna take a shower now. All right, guys. I got ready. I did my makeup really nice. My hair looks good. Everything's good. So now we're heading to brunch at Bistro Cafe. You see the color coordination? The urn. The urn. Okay, beautiful. Right now we are waiting. It's about a 25 to 30 minute wait, which I feel like we killed most of the time taking pictures. I got some pictures, but I feel like I could get a better background. Like, I need this look to give, like, I need to scroll past and be like, ah, gagged. And we're not there yet. It is partly cloudy, it's a little drizzly, but it's still warm outside. So we're probably going to do some walking around Old San Juan, and then later on this evening we're gonna get ready to leave. Was it for our quick 2-day 48 hours in Puerto Rico.
We got the mojito popsicle, we got the fried chicken and waffles, spicy honey on the side, spicy honey on the side. We got the scrambled bacon, American cheese, potatoes, and we got the monaco omelet with the waffles, with the portion of fruit, and Nutella on the side.
Sounds amazing. And then I want a guava margarita. So guys, I don't even know what I'm doing. There's so many options on this menu. The waiter has to explain it, and even he forgets it. He said there's 27 options for omelets. So I'm getting a waffle, which I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish. It's gonna come with blueberries, strawberries, bananas, kiwi, everything, pineapple, and then I'm getting a big ass omelet because I'm really hungry and I don't think I want to eat for the rest of the day, but we'll see. So when the food comes out, I will show you guys how it looks. It looks really good on the internet, on their Instagram page. Ooh, I'm hungry. What I ordered, I got an omelet, steak, and something, a waffle with all the fruits and stuff, and then we have bacon, eggs, I don't know what those are, hash browns, and a chicken waffle, and these are the drinks. Super cute. Oh my god. I just ate like a badass. Basically that's my plate, but the food was really good. I enjoyed it. Very flavorful. It's very packed in here. It's like very loud, but I don't mind it. It makes it like feel very like warm and exciting. This is fun. I enjoy it. I will come back here. Highly recommend. I will give it a 9. It's a 9. So we're nearing the end of our 48-hour stay. We're kind of doing whatever because it's like a rainy day. I would have loved to get more sun, but you know what can we do? What? At least it's rainy in Puerto Rico. So, look a little buggy. Have this 14 ounce. Okay, it's Curvin rum. In Old San Juan. Right, I don't have much storage left, so I want to show you guys the view. That's what I'm gonna do. Last time I was here, I did not see this many cats, but they have so many kitties. Hi, kitty. We have to finish all of this. like this tree. See, there is a beautiful grave down here. We're going to Casa Luna to have the red snapper because we were craving fish, or I was craving fish. Whatever I'm craving, we get. She's just being friendly. I already got one.
Alright, finish up the music, guys.
Being indecisive makes me anxious. All your number and inside the service. Who can I call for your